In this video, I'm going to be going over the PCC COVID protocols for the ELTN and Tech 197 courses for this short 12-week spring semester. Before you come to campus, there are a number of things that we need to go over. First of all, if you're not feeling well, you will need to stay home. Please bring a new or good condition face mask with you. If we feel that your face mask is old or needs to be replaced, we will have replacement face masks. But ideally, bring a new one or one that's in good condition that's clean. Bring your ID badge, and I'll talk about this more later, but it's something you want to bring each week. Please do not bring too many items. A small backpack is all that you should need. If you have other tools or supplies that you need, most everything will be supplied in the classroom. You will not be allowed to bring in food or drinks into the classroom. However, you can bring in water in a sealed container. One of the most important steps is taking the health survey. If you go to the main PCC website, the very first page, there's a area in the top here that says Take Our Health Survey. You'll need to do this and answer the questions that will assess your health. Once you've completed that survey, if everything is okay, you'll get a green check on your cell phone. You will need to show that green check on the cell phone to the assistant or the faculty member before entering the lab. For this semester, parking is free. You will need to park in Lot 3, which is just south of IT 226. If you've not been to campus before or you've not been to the classroom, the entrance that most people come on is off of Colorado Boulevard coming south on Hill and entering into Lot 3. You can then walk up the stairs to the IT building. IT 226 is on the east side here, south of Colorado Boulevard. Before entering the lab, there are a few things we need to go over. First, please try to arrive 10 to 15 minutes before the class starts, especially on the first day, so we can make sure that everybody understands the practices we need to go through. You'll need to line up, and please practice social distancing. You'll have your temperature taken, asked review questions, and checked in. At that point, that is when you would show your green check mark to either the student assistant or the faculty member. You'll be issued an ID badge to use for the semester. This will have your name and your ID number. Please keep it on during the class and make sure to bring it each week. I'd suggest leaving it in your car to make sure that you can bring it. Each week you'll receive a different sticker to put on your badge with a date and initials to show that you are cleared to be on campus. This is required by campus police so they can identify you are allowed on campus. And finally, you will use hand sanitizer to clean your hands before entering the lab. When in the lab, you'll be seated at a bench location. There will be a plexiglass shield around each bench work area. The lab can actually seat up to 24 people, but we're only allowing 12 students in the class, so there's plenty of space between each station. You'll be assigned a seat location to stay in through the semester, and we can make some adjustments on the first day for that. During the lab time, you'll be allowed to use the tools and test equipment. At the end of the lab time, you'll use sanitizer to clean the equipment and your desk area. At the end of the lab time, any test equipment or tools will need to be cleaned and put away starting at 11:45. The classes end at 11:50, but you'll be able to leave at 12 o'clock noon. You'll exit through the southwest door of the room. You will need to leave campus at this time. You are only allowed on campus for the face-to-face class you're enrolled in. You will not be allowed to stay after class at 12 noon. I'm sorry about that. But I will be having Zoom office hours Monday through Thursday from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Also, there's going to be tutoring available from 7 to 10 p.m. on Monday through Friday. We'll go over more details of that during the first day class. So these are all of the protocols that we're going to be following. We're going to review these on the first day of class, but please review especially the things that you need to do at home before coming to class and in preparation before entering the lab room. Thank you.